Good morning. It's great to see you again. I have a mini lesson for our math today. Yesterday we started off and we did session one, and today we are doing session two. So if you look in your book right here, you can see that we're on lesson 13, session two, and we're finding totals greater than 10. That's like our skill that we're working on. So I'm on page 285 in my book, and I want to point some things out to your parents. So you guys already know this. Maybe you already told your parents this. So there's a problem, a story problem right here. And then it says try it right here, and it's green. And so in our classroom, when it says try it, I always read the problem to the kids, and then they try it. So I don't do any modeling for them. They can use any strategy that they already know, and they just try that problem. Now, on this side, it tells you that you could use, these are ideas of things that you could use. So you could use counters. So at your house, you might not have cubes like we use cubes at school. I don't have any cubes here at my house. You could use Legos. Those could be counters. You could use cereal. You could use M&Ms. It says connecting cubes. Same thing. We might not have connecting cubes. And then 10 frames. Now 10 frames, we can draw a 10 frame. So let me read you the problem. And then the kids are going to try it. And I will do a little bit of modeling, mostly for your parents, you guys, so they can see what I'm talking about different strategies. So the story says, oh, and wait, before I want to read this story to you, actually, I am going to show you using different numbers. I'm going to show your parents and you, because maybe you forgot, just a couple of the strategies that you could use. So on my board right here, I wrote strategies, and then I made it be sort of like the problem in the book, but I changed the numbers, so don't write anything down in your book yet. I made it be 7 horses, and then 6 more come. Now the answer might pop in your head, but don't say, right? Don't say. So here's some things that you could do. Number 1, you could draw a picture. So I drew 7 green circles, which matches my top number, and then I drew 6 red circles, which stands for the 6 more. And then what I would do to solve that problem is I would count them all up. Now I'm noticing something. I could count by 2s, because if you make your picture be organized, then it's lined up. And so you could line it up. So here's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and 1 more. So 12, and then you go up 1 more, it would be 13. So, and I'm noticing something else, that since those were in pairs, this is like a doubles fact plus 1 more. I could draw a box around my doubles fact right here, okay, plus 1 more. Now I could also write the math problem that goes with it. So all of this you would do on your try it. So 7 plus 6 equals 13. So you have to write the math problem somewhere on your try it, okay? Here's another strategy. So you're choosing one of these ways to do it in your book. So another strategy is you could hop on a number chart, okay? And you need to show that somehow in your book. So you don't have to draw like a hundreds chart in your book. Just draw starting from the numbers that you would need. So I like to start with the bigger number, which is 7. And so I made a number line here, and I tried to estimate how long it should go. So here's 7. So I'm going to circle the number that I'm starting on, and then I'm going to hop. I'm going to hop up 6 more horses. So I'm starting on 7. So this is what it would look like. 1 hop, 2 hops, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this would be the answer. Let's see if it matches. Oh yes, it matches the answer that we got up there when we drew a picture, right? So that is a different way to do it. Number 3, I put you could use your counters at your house. So today you can pick one of these strategies to solve this problem in your book. Now, I made the numbers be different because I didn't want to do all the work for you, because you're supposed to try it on your own. So let me read this to you. It says, 8 horses run in the field. 9 horses stay in the barn. How many horses in all? You could circle in all because you know that's our clue word, which means add it up in total. Now see this big space right here, that's for you to choose what strategy you want to use to solve the problem. Okay, so I hope that helps. I'm going to have you pause the video and do this page. Try it on your own. Okay, now unpause me. And now we can turn the page. So when you turn the page and you look at page 286, it is the same exact problem. So the book now is going to model for you one way to do it. So it says find 8 plus 9. Look, that is the same problem that we just did on the other page. So you tried it your way, and now we're going to check it. Oh, look, Bodhi's coming. Bodhi, come here. Come here. Come here. Hi, come say hi to the kids. Say hi to the kids. Did you just wake up? Yes. You popped in for math. Don't eat the marker. Don't eat the marker. Hi. He's nervous because of the solar panel people. I'm sure you can hear them a little bit. So here they modeled for you. So look what they did. They said find 8 plus 9. Use doubles plus 1 to find the total. So you can see they made a picture of their cubes. So here's 8 orange cubes. And then here's 8 and 1 more. Okay. So 8 plus 8 is our doubles fact. We could line it up and we could go, you can count with me by twos. Ready? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 plus 1 more would be 17. Okay. Now they took this problem and they wrote that as a 3-digit math problem. So they wrote, here's this 8 plus this orange 8 plus the 1 more. And they drew these 2 lines because that's your doubles fact, which made 16 plus 1. Okay, so 8 plus 9 equals, write your answer right there. There are blank horses in all. Write your answer right there. Okay, now we're on the next page. The next page, page 287, says, connect it. How was your way like model it? How was it different? So you look at the 2 pages. Here they used cubes, didn't they? They used cubes. You might not have used cubes. Maybe you drew a picture. Okay, so you could say, I drew a picture, but they used cubes. Okay, so think about how was your way, like model it, and how is it different? Number 2 says, Buzz, oh, and you can pause the video if you're still writing. Just pause the video before I go on to the next problem, and then when you're ready, press play. Buzz says 6 plus 5 equals 10. Is he right? How do you know? So here they have 6 plus 5, and then you can see they took the 6 and they made a number bond out of it, right? And they broke the 6 into a 5 and a 1 because 5 plus 1 equals 6, okay? And then you can kind of see, oh yeah, there's your doubles fact. See the blue circles? That's like 5 plus 5 equals 10 plus 1 more. So the answer would be, the answer would be 11, right? So he's not right. So you have to write that there. Explain why. How do you know? Number 3, 7 friends sing. 8 more friends join. How many friends sing? Okay, so they're going to give you a whole bunch of problems now that are like the ones that we've done. It's kind of like a doubles fact plus 1 more. Okay, so you're going to complete all those pages. Let me show you. You're doing page 288. You can read it and find the answers. Your parents can help you. It's okay for your parents to help you, and they should check you when you're done. Like, let's say that you're working on this all by yourself, and then when you're done, you take it to your parents and have them check your work. Now, remember the green pages here are normally our homework pages, and we had these ripped out, so you might know where they are. If you do, you can do them. If math is taking you too long and you feel like, oh my goodness, we've been working so hard all day and we haven't had a break yet, then don't do the green pages, okay? It is optional, but everybody's different. Like I know some people are getting done lickety split. And so if you have time, do the green pages. But if it's taking too long, skip them. It's okay to skip them. So on the green pages is extra practice. It's just like these other problems that we've done. So you're doing page 289 and 290 and then stop, because then this says session 3. This will be the next day's lesson. I hope this helps. I'm glad you got to see Bodhi today. I miss you guys, and if you have any questions, have your parents email me. Until next time, bye.